Spittlebugs are common pests that create a foamy substance, known as spittle, on plants. To get rid of spittlebugs and protect your plants, here are some effective methods. Manual removal. Use a strong stream of water from a hose to dislodge the spittle and expose the insects. You can also use a handheld vacuum to suck up the spittlebugs carefully. Pruning infested areas. If the infestation is limited to specific parts of the plant, you can prune and remove those affected areas. Dispose of the pruned material properly to prevent the insects from spreading. Natural predators. Encourage natural predators of spittlebugs, such as ladybugs, lacewings, and parasitic wasps. In your garden, these beneficial insects feed on spittlebugs and help control their population. Organic insecticidal soap. Apply an organic insecticidal soap according to the product instructions. This can help eliminate spittlebugs by suffocating them. Be sure to cover the entire plant, including the undersides of leaves. Neem oil. Neem oil is another organic option that can be effective against spittlebugs. Dilute the neem oil according to the instructions on the product and spray it on the affected plant parts. Horticultural oil. Use a horticultural oil spray, following the instructions, to smother and kill spittlebugs. Apply the spray during the appropriate time of year, as recommended by the product, and ensure complete coverage of the affected plant. Introduce beneficial nematodes. Certain species of beneficial nematodes, like Steinernema carpocapsae, can help control spittlebugs. Apply them to the soil around the affected plants following the package instructions. Cultural practices. Maintaining good plant health through proper watering, fertilization, and regular inspection can help prevent and reduce spittlebug infestations. Remove weeds and debris where spittlebugs may hide. Remember to monitor your plants regularly to catch any spittlebug infestations early on and take appropriate action promptly. By using a combination of these methods, you can effectively control spittlebugs and protect your plants from damage.